having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Chris. It's so nice to meet you. And to all of my longtime followers, thanks for coming back, y'all. All right, so today's gonna be a lot of fun because I'm gonna share what my current wash and go routine is. So y'all know I've always been a huge fan of wash and goes once I learned how to do them, okay? Once I learned how to do them. But seriously, the wash and go has been like my favorite style forever, simply because it is my most reliable style. It's the closest to my natural curl pattern. There's not a lot of fuss or products required, especially now that my hair is a lot shorter. So for me, the wash and go is still at the top. It literally is like weatherproof, okay? I'm talking rain, humidity, wind. Y'all know how I feel about the wind, okay, right? I cannot stand the wind, but the wind is no match for the power of the 4C, okay? All right, so you ready? Let's rock.
Alright y'all, I'm in process of washing my hair and I've already used my Diva Curl No Poo'd Decadence. I decided to leave the one condition in my hair for a bit while I did my makeup. So it's been acting as my deep conditioner for the day. And let me tell you, it was a struggle to keep the water from coming out of this bag, okay? My hair responds so well to this duo, even my baby hairs are showing off. Alright. So I'm gonna rinse and I'll be right back. So this is my texture when my hair is wet and hydrated. For my wash and goes, I like to preserve as much of my natural curl pattern as possible. So let's see how we do. First, to soaking wet hair, I'm using some grapeseed oil. A generous amount of grapeseed oil. For me, grapeseed oil seals in moisture and it also adds great slip and shine. And since I have a lower hair density, scrunching the oil into my hair works great. It also allows me to preserve my natural curl pattern without getting knots. Now, although I use a lot of oil, my hair actually absorbs most of it within a day or so. My shrinkage plays no games, y'all. Okay, no games. Next up is Diva Curl Super Cream. Y'all, I love this all-in-one styler. A little goes a long way, so one pump is all I need for the entire back and sides of my hair. It's amazing. And did I mention I love the way it smells? Well, it smells like soft coconuts. And I'm not sure what a soft coconut is, but yeah, something like that. It smells really good. For me, the Super Cream moisturizes and helps lightly set my hair without using gel. Okay, the top of my hair is doing the most right now, so I'm going to start with one pump up here too. And just like before, I'm going to be scrunching the Super Cream in. And again, as I work the product into my strands, I'm being careful not to disturb my coils. Alright, we're looking good, but I think one more pump should do. My hair is thicker in the back of my head than the front, so I need a little more back there. After my product is applied, using a pick, I like to arrange my coils into a more uniform position, but I don't bring the pick all the way through. Then I mist my hair with water to encourage more coil action. And I think I completely missed my hair. Let's try that again. And I'm failing big time. Okay, y'all get the point though, right? To clean up my hairline, I like to use Inspire Curly Temple Balm by Made Beautiful and a very soft toothbrush. This edge control smells like gummy bears and it's really gentle on my edges. I've been using this edge control since last summer and I still love it. To dry my hair, I like to use a diffuser because it doesn't disturb my coils. Today I'm alternating between medium and high heat. And y'all, my shrinkage is in full effect. Check it out. Yes, thumbs up for the 4C magic. So from here, I continue drying my hair to set it into place. And although I have such high shrinkage, I still have those few random straight hairs that like to rebel and stick straight up. I've had those ever since big chopping back in 2012. So to speed up the drying time, I like to use a metal pick to slightly lift my roots so the air can reach my scalp. So here's what my texture looks like without me doing a whole lot to define it. And as you can see, my natural curl pattern stayed intact from wet to dry. To add additional shine to Miss Fro, I'm using ORS Nourishing Sheen Spray. It works like a charm. Then to further enhance my curl pattern, I like to use my Tornado Coiler hair sponge. Using a sponge adds additional texture and definition to my style, especially when the sides and back of my hair are due for a shape up at the barber. I gotta get in there. And whenever I use the sponge on my hair, I am very gentle. I don't rub hard or anything, and I've had no damage from using it this way. Now the top of my hair is already well defined to my liking, so I only want to separate my coils a little for more fullness. When I use the sponge up here, I do not press firmly down onto my hair. I'm sort of glazing over it, just to break my coils up a little bit. Alright y'all, one more thing. For an edgier profile, I like to add some height to the front of my hair. Believe it or not, my hair is going to shrink a little more as time goes on, so this step helps keep the front of my hair from being too flat. I use the high heat setting to achieve this, and it takes like 2 seconds. See that? Just a little more height is what I like. So Miss Fro's all ready to rock and roll, but I still need to change first before heading out. And that is it. Nothing's gonna mess this wash and go up, y'all, okay? They say it's gonna be windy out today. No worries. Bring it on, wind. She ain't moving. Told you, you can't mess with that TWA shrinkage power. No, sir. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed hanging out. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you all very soon in another one. Take care. Be sure to check out my channel homepage and our new channel, The Wind Down with Chris and Ty, for lots more to watch.